All right, guys, we're going to replace the fog lights on my 2002 Toyota Sequoia, Gen 1 Sequoia, with LED bulbs. These were the bulbs. I show the bulb here in a second, but sea light fog lighting. It says 9006. Fog light. Let's see, you get that on there. If you have wiring problems, you can get one of these decoders, but didn't need that for the Sequoia. These work perfect. All right, so these are the bulbs that I got. This is the original replacement, and they are an exact match in terms of size. So that's what we're putting in. And for a reference, here's the difference in the light. You can see it's a brighter white up top from the LEDs I did on the headlights, and the lower fog lights are more yellow. And here is the replacement bulb, and it matches the headlight bulb much nicer. Okay, so we're going to replace the fog light bulb with LED bulbs. And to do that, you're just going to come up underneath where the bulb is, and you have this wheel well cover comes down up and underneath the bumper, and you should have, this one has stripped through, it looks like, 3 10mm bolts, one back here, one right here, and then one right there. So 10mm bolts, just take those off, and then you can fold back this plastic pretty easily. Okay, now with those bolts removed, we've just folded this plastic up underneath the mount there to get it up and out of the way. And then as we come down here, you can see the bulb, or the light fixture here, right there. There it is. And that's the wiring harness there. What you can do is you can just rotate, what would that be, counterclockwise to loosen the bulb out. And there's your bulb, and you're just gonna unhook it here by pressing down and pulling that off, and replacing your bulb and putting it back in. It can only really go in one way. You go counterclockwise, it pops it loose. When you push it back in, once it's flush, you can turn it just like a quarter, less than a quarter turn clockwise to lock the bulb in. And you're basically done. Put the 10mm bolts back in, and away you go. All right, so now the fog light has been replaced, and you can see it's a great match for the new LEDs that are in the main headlamps. I'll put a link to both bulbs I used on Amazon, so you could order them directly there if you want. Those will be affiliate links. Doesn't change the price at all. And so far I've been real happy with them. The headlight LEDs worked great. I did need to lower the height of the bulbs. When you put LEDs in, a lot of times the angle of the light rises up, and you gotta lower those, or else you're gonna be blinding people on the road. So I got a video on the channel. The first video we did shows you how to do that. So if you need to do that, you can do that there. Anyway, I hope that helps you out.